Occasionally there's a need to enlarge an existing hole, for example if you're replacing a doorknob or a similar piece of hardware. And the tool to use is the hole saw. Now the problem with enlarging an existing hole is the way the hole saw works, it has an arbor that bites into the wood. But if you have a hole there already, there's nothing for the hole saw to bite into, so it can be a pretty dangerous and sloppy cut. So here's the trick. Take the existing hole and mark its center line on a piece of plywood. So you clamp 1/2-inch plywood top and bottom, then you transfer the center line up and over onto the plywood, and then the vertical center line, so you end up with a crosshair. And then I just used a screwdriver to make a little starting pilot hole. And now what we're going to do is drill straight through the plywood and through the piece, enlarging the hole. Here we go. Start it right on the center line. There you go. Now when I unclamp this, you'll see what you end up with is what used to be a 1-inch diameter hole. You have a perfectly clean 2-inch hole.